How I made my first $100,000 determination to succeed. I didn't come from money. I didn't have connections. I didn't get lucky. But I made my first $100,000 because quitting was never an option. Most people will never tell you the truth about money. They'll show you results, but not the pain. Wins, but not the sleepless nights. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. This is not a get-rich-quick story. This is a get-disciplined, stay-determined, refuse-to-quit story. If you're watching this because you feel stuck, broke, underestimated, or tired of starting over, this message is for you. Let me take you back to the beginning. When I started, I had more doubt than dollars. I failed more times than I can count. I tried things that didn't work. I invested time where there was no return. And yes, there were moments I questioned myself. But here's the truth. Most people don't accept. Failure is not the opposite of success. Quitting is. Every loss taught me something. Every setback sharpened my thinking. Every rejection built resilience. The turning point. The breakthrough didn't come from luck. It came from a decision I decided to learn before I earned. Stay consistent when motivation disappeared. Work when results were invisible, and keep going when nobody believed in me. I stopped chasing shortcuts and started building skills. Skills pay. Trends fade. That's when momentum started. The mindset shift. Here's the mindset that changed everything. I stopped asking, how fast can I make money? And started asking, how valuable can I become? Money follows value. Always, once I committed to growth, the income followed naturally. If this is already resonating with you, pause for 1 second. Like this video, it helps more determined people find this message. Subscribe if you want real stories, real lessons, and real motivation. Now let's talk about what actually pushed me to 6 figures. There was no overnight success. There were long days, quiet sacrifices, moments where giving up felt easier than continuing. But determination doesn't shout. It whispers, "Try again tomorrow." I stayed consistent when others disappeared. I showed up when results were slow, and slowly, the numbers changed. $1,000, $10,000, $50,000. Until one day, it happened. The $100,000 moment. The first $100,000 wasn't just money. It was proof. Proof that discipline beats talent. Proof that persistence beats excuses. Proof that consistency beats motivation. And the best part? Once you do it, once you know it's repeatable. The lesson. If you're still struggling, hear this clearly. You are not behind. You are being prepared. Stay focused. Stay patient. Stay determined. Success doesn't reward the smartest. It rewards the ones who refuse to stop. If you believe your breakthrough is coming, comment, "I will succeed" below. Share this video with someone who needs motivation. Subscribe for more real-life success stories. Remember this, your current situation is not your final destination. Your struggle is not your identity, and your determination will write your story. Stay hungry, stay disciplined, and never stop believing in what you're becoming. Your time is coming.